Let's analyze Ninja Ripper 2. I open the Wireshark and entering my capture network card. Okay, now I entering my program to analyze, and holy shit, 2000 packages, and I only have Firefox open with music in the background, and I don't want it to close my music, but you cannot analyze 2000 packages. The most packages are not from Ninja Ripper, and yeah, let's find another way to isolate Ninja Ripper and other programs for easy analysis. So I close Wireshark and let me open die, detected easy, and I drag and drop this file. Now we can see we have a x64 architecture. Okay, let's open remote DLL x64 and inject. Now we need to target a process and press select. Now we need a DLL file, and we have a DLL file in Ninja Ripper. Press x64 and we have a generic DLL file. Now press inject and successful injected. We can close this tab, and now we can start to make things. Boop, and we have a network traffic production. Okay. Now we want to see the sendings and gettings from this program. I press Win and R and tip tab. Open Ninja Ripper, and now we can see two files. And we can open these files and we can see the complete traffic. And here the read-write file, and we can see when we make it bigger. Hello, that's my entering. Let's product more. Wrong key. And now open this process again, and we can see SDLK blah blah blah. Okay, that works. Now let's run another software, Firefox, and start to analyze. Open die and drag and drop this file. We can see it's a x86 software, and we need to use x42. Now entering the process, Firefox, select, and now select the x86 DLL. Press inject, and now we analyze only Firefox. Press entering to enter the command. Okay. Now we press Win and R and tip tab. Now open NetRipper, and we can see we have Firefox. Received, send, and we can see we have read-write. And now we can open all files and see which package sent and received. And we can analyze only one software. We have isolated software, and now we have the complete traffic from only one software.